Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Vantage M2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First we need to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the back button right here. Once the menu opens, you can use the up and down buttons to scroll through the menu. Scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and then press the middle button to enter. Then select the general settings and press the middle button. Here scroll down, find the Do Not Disturb mode option, and as you can see, the status is off. So basically the Do Not Disturb mode is disabled. And to enable it, press the middle button, scroll down and select the on or on with the time frame. We have two options. Basically, if you select on, the Do Not Disturb mode will be enabled until you turn it off. And if you select on with the time frame, you can set the schedule for it. So it will be turning on automatically at certain time and turning off automatically at certain time. So first let's select on and press the middle button. The status will change to on, as you can see. And if you go back to watch face, you will see that the icon is right here at the top, which indicates that the mode is enabled. Now let's go back to the menu, settings and Do Not Disturb. Let's enable the schedule for it now. So scroll down and select on with the time frame, press button. Now we can set the time on which the Do Not Disturb mode should be turning on automatically, and you can do it by setting the hour, then the minutes, and then you can press the check mark. Next, we can set the end time the same way, and then press the button. Okay, and now we have a time schedule for our Do Not Disturb mode, and it will be turning on at 9 PM and turning off at 6 AM. And to disable the mode, simply again open the menu, select the Do Not Disturb mode option, press the button, and select the off, like this, and the mode will be disabled. And if you go back to watch face, the icon will disappear from the watch face. So if you go back, the icon is gone. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.